Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we are doing some maintenance on the TL. Got some NGK laser iridium spark plugs we're gonna throw in because this thing idles like it's cammed. I'll add in a little clip so you guys can hear it, but I'm gonna try to swap out these spark plugs. Hopefully that fixes it. I took off the strut bar to get a little bit more access to the rear coils back here. You can see right there, I believe it's a 10 mil bolt for the power steering line. I'm gonna pull that bolt off so I can move the line over a little bit and get that middle coil pack loosened and that coil pack loosened. Then I'm gonna start pulling them out. So all the coil packs are disconnected. Now I do have a valve cover leak, but the car's been running like a bag of crap, so I'm gonna get that fixed first. Swap the spark plugs, see if it idles a little bit better. The rears, I'm not so excited about. I don't think those are gonna be they're gonna be done very easily, but we'll see what happens. We'll try our best. Okay, first spark plug is out. That's got some oil on it, and it has definitely seen some better days. Not ideal, but I have kind of neglected this car for the year that I've owned it. I have done nothing to it. All my time was spent on the CSX. So now we can at least get this car dialed in a little bit more this year. Okay, got the second plug out. Definitely better condition than the first one. Still pretty fouled out, but yeah, swap that one out too. This one's a lot better than that one, so that's a bonus. For any of you who are tackling this job yourself, because I try to make my life as easy as possible, there is a 10 mil bolt that goes in right here to hold the coolant reservoir tank in spot. I pulled it out so I can get that coil and spark plug out a lot easier. Okay, we got all the spark plugs out. They're all quite dirty. Got the last new one to put in. Then she should be good and doesn't idle like crap anymore. All right, moment of truth. In the car, working a lot better now. Starts up better, so that's a win. I'll see you guys next time.